What is up, guys? Welcome to a new POV drive. Today you join me inside the all-new Mercedes Benz GLA 200, by the way. So this is the 2023 model year, and as usual we're going for a POV drive. So the GLA 200 actually has, oh, by the way, big thanks to Mercedes Mercurus, which is the local Mercedes Benz dealership out here in Zanin. Now, as I was saying, the GLA 200 comes with a 1.3 liter turbo 4-cylinder motor that pushes about 120 kilowatts, which is about 163 horsepower and 250 newton meters of torque. Now, it's a front-wheel drive platform. Being a GLA, it's based on the A-Class platform. Now, transmission is actually a 7-speed dual clutch, which shifts pretty much seamlessly, and it's very nice. So at the moment, currently driving at about 68 kilometers an hour. So I'm just going to select sport mode using the dynamic select, and we're going to test out the performance. Currently going down an incline. Actually, currently just driving. I don't know what I was trying to say, but let's test out the performance basically. So I'm just going to floor it. Yeah, as you can see, it gets up to speed pretty easily, effortlessly so. And yeah, a bit of the cornering performance, handling is decent. I mean, this is not a performance car, but hey, if you want to chop up some curves, you can absolutely do so. So I'm going to flick it back into comfort, because I actually enjoy driving this car more in comfort mode, which is quite relaxing. Suspension is actually pretty nice in this car. Like, it has some kind of active sport suspension, because this one is actually the AMG line, so it also rides slightly lower than the base progressive, and yeah, it gives you more of a sporty edge when you're driving. So you also get this AMG steering wheel with some shift pedals behind the wheel. You get some red touches inside, and yeah, it's pretty nice. So I usually don't drive in town, so I think today I'm going to actually head off the exit on the highway and experience some town driving. Oh, one other thing that I noted is that the travel distance on the brake is quite long, so there's no biting for a while, and then yeah, you do get some brake bite along the end of the traveling distance. So yeah, but it does stop pretty well. Just note, it's a Mercedes, and usually Mercedes cars have good brakes, and this one also does have good brakes. So currently driving behind a giant truck, so I don't know how I'm gonna pass it, but we'll see. Actually, there's some room to pass. Ooh, sounds very interesting. I'm pretty sure it doesn't come across on camera, but yeah, the sound is actually quite nice, hey? When you pull away from a junction, all those gear shifts, they sound pretty nice. So I've been pushing it for a bit, so I'm gonna check what the consumption is now. Currently averaging 7.8 liters per 100 kilometers, which is, I don't know, not bad, decent, I guess. Let's actually slow down a bit. Actually, while we're on this POV, I want to see if we can quickly test out the park assist feature. So let's quickly head into this shopping center, and yeah, let's see if we can quickly find a parking spot. Hopefully the car will be able to recognize one where it can pull in, and we'll see how or what park assist is like on this car. So pulling in now. Okie dokie. Short shift. Okay. So we're gonna head over into this parking bay. Ugh. Let's wait for this M135i to pull out. So there's a couple of parking spaces. So let me try to activate it. There's a button down here for activating the park assist feature. So the car will actually start scanning around, and once it finds a bay which is ideal, it'll let you know, and then you confirm. Yeah, currently not having any luck. No luck at the moment. Too bad, hey, too bad. Let's keep on trying and see. There's so many parking bays out here. No luck. Okay, so I think I select on screen. Reverse. So if I put the car into reverse, it should do the steering wheel for me, where I just control the pedals. Ooh, is it gonna make it? It looks like it. Hey, there we go. My hands are all here, and we're pulling into this bay. That is so cool. So now I have to go forward. Now I have to put it back into reverse. Okay. It's actually pretty smart. And we're in. Well done, hey. Let me actually jump out so I can show you guys how it's parked. So let me grab my mic. I want to show you guys quickly how the parking was like. Let's see how good this car is. And voila, as you can see, it's properly parked in. There we go. And that is pretty much the end of this POV drive. I really do hope you guys enjoyed it. Until next time, that's cheers from me.